Welcome to our channel Sankalp Study Success. In this video, we are going to see the equivalence of finite state machines. That means here we are going to have two finite state machines and we will conclude that whether the finite state machines are equivalent or they are not equivalent. So let us see how to say whether those are equivalent and they are not equivalent. So first of all, if you are given with the two finite state machines and if you are going to find two finite automata are not equivalent if for some string w over sigma, one reaches to the final state and the other reaches to the non-final state. If both are reaching to the final state or if both are reaching to the non-final state, then you will say that the finite automaton what are given there are equivalent. But if one is reaching to the final state and the other is reaching to the non-final state, then you will say that those finite state machines are not equivalent. So let us solve some problems so that you will know what should be reaching to the final state and what should not be reaching to the final state. So coming to here, you need to check whether two finite state machines are equivalent or not. That means here you are given with M1 and here you are given with M2. Here M1 present state, the next state and the present state and the next state by applying inputs 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So here first you will, this A is the initial state for M1 machine and P is the initial state for M2 machine. And B and D are the final states for M1 machine and R is the final state for M2 machine. So now here you are going to draw the comparison table. That means you will compare M1 with M2. Comparison table, and you are going to compare M1 with M2, that is V comma V dash. Let us consider V comma V dash are the states you are considering from M1. V is the state you are considering from M1 and V dash is the state you are considering from M2. And here we are having the input symbols as 0 and 1 and here also we are having 0 and 1. So let us take V by applying 0 and V dash by applying 0. That means V is nothing but the state if you apply 0 and the state if you apply 0 in M2. So here the next one is V1 and V1 dash. Here we are having only 0 and 1. So we are taking only 0 and only 1. Now let us start with the initial state A and P. That means A comma P, where A is the initial state of M1 and P is the initial state of M2. So if you apply zeros for A and P, then you will get it as B and R. Right here, if you apply 0 to A, you will get B, and if you apply 0 to P, then you will get R. That means B and R. Now, if you apply 1, then you will get D, and here you will get R. So D comma R. So you have to check whether these both are final states or non-final states. If these are both are final states or if both are non-final state, then your machines are equivalent. If one is final state and the other is non-final state, then your machines are not equivalent. BR and DR we got. So B is the final state, R is the final state, so no problem. DR, D is the final state and R is the final state, so no problem. So now how will you proceed further? Starting, you will start with the initial state and by whatever the transitions you will get from these states you are going to continue. That means B comma R will be continued, then you will do for D comma R. So let us see for B and R, if you apply 0 and 1, what happens? For B and R, if you apply 0, you got A and P. Then if you apply 1, you will get C and Q. That means AP and CQ. Now you have to check whether this AP and CQ are both are final state or both are non-final states. AP and CQ. Now let us check. A is the non-final state. P is also non-final state, so no problem. Now let us check for CQ. C is the non-final state and Q is the non-final state, so no problem. Now let us continue by use from DR, right? Because DR, after BR there is DR. So for dr, if you apply zeros and ones, then you will get it as C and P, then A and Q. That means what? CP, and here it is AQ. Now check whether this CP and AQ are final states, both are final state or both are non-final states. See, C is non-final, P is non-final, no problem, and AQ, A is non-final, Q is non-final, so there is no problem here. Now let us continue further with AP. AP is already done, so no need to do it again. So continue with CQ. So for CQ, if you apply zeros and ones, what happens? For C and Q, you got D and R. So dr and BP. So now let us write dr if you apply zeros and BP if you apply 1, right? So now let us check dr and BP both are of final or non-final states. So let us see, D is the final state, R is a final state, so no problem here. So if you see BP, B is the final state but P is the non-final state. That means B belongs to final state and P belongs to does not belong to final state. That means it is a non-final state. So any of one case, if you get it in the comparison table where one is the final state and the other is the non-final state, then you can say that the given machine, that is M1 and M2, given finite state machines are not equivalent. But you have to continue further till you get BP here. That means you are done with CQ. Now you have to apply CP, then AQ, then also DR is already done. So you need to apply CP and AQ till you reach BP. You are going to continue the process. Here you got to know that your finite state machines are not equivalent, but you need to continue the procedure till you get the BP. So here now let us do it for CP. For CP, if you apply zeros and ones, then you will get as D and R or B and R. That means if you, for DR it is for zeros and for BR it is for ones. DR is the both belongs to the non-final states we have just seen, and BR is the final state and R is the final state. Again you can say that there is no problem with this step. So now let us consider AQ. So for AQ, A and Q, if you apply 0 you will get BR, and if you apply 1 you will get DP. BR and you will get DP. So here let us check whether this BR and DP belongs to final or non-final state. B is the final, R is the final, so no problem. D is final but P is not final. That means DP, there is a problem with DP also. That means here till BP, we have done till BP, right? After AQ we are going to do for BP only. So till now you have to continue this procedure, and therefore as B belongs to final state and P does not belong to final state, so you will say that given FSMs, that means finite state machines, are not equivalent. So in this way we are going to draw the comparison table by using all the input symbols given in the question. So you're going to start with the initial state and you have to continue the process till each and every term is completed, and if you are getting any one term belongs to the final state and one belongs to the non-final state, then if you reach till there, then you will stop the process. Now let us see one more example. Check whether the following two FSMs are equivalent or not. Here the transition diagram is given. Previously we are given with the transition table. So here now let us draw the comparison table. Comparison table which consists of V and V dash and V naught, that is V0, V0 dash, because we are having zeros and ones as the input symbols. So V1 and V1 dash. So now we have to start with the initial state Q naught and P naught, right? Because Q0 is the initial state here and P0 is the initial state here. So from Q0 and P0, if you apply 0, it goes to Q0 and this also goes to P0. So you will get Q0 comma P0. Then if you apply 1, then it goes to Q1 and here it goes to P1. So here you are going to get Q1 comma P1. That means now let us see whether both belongs to final states or non-final states. Q0, P0. Q0 is the non-final state, P0 is the non-final state, so no problem. Q1 and P1. Q1 is the final state, P1 is final state, so no problem. Now let us consider here Q0 and P0 is already done. We are going to consider Q1 and P1. So for Q1, if you apply 0, it goes to Q1, and for P1, if you apply 0, it goes to P1. And for Q1, if you apply 1, it goes to Q0, and for P1, if you apply 1, it goes to P2. So Q1 is the final state, P1 is also the final state, so no problem. Q0 is the non-final state and here P2 is also non-final state, so no problem. Now here Q1 and P1 is already done, so we will go with Q0 comma P2. For Q0, if you apply 0, you will get Q0, and for P2, if you apply 0, it gets P2. For Q0, if you apply 1, it goes to Q1, and for P2, if you apply 1, it goes to P1. Now let us see Q0 and P2. Q0 is the non-final state and P2 is also the non-final state, so no problem. Q1 and P1. Q1 is the final state and P1 is the final state, so no problem. Now check whether are there anything which we need to go further. Q0 and P2 is already done and Q1, P1 is also already done. So we are not left with anything to go further. So and each and every state, it is going to the final state or non-final state. So therefore you can say that given FSMs are equivalent. So in this way we are going to check whether the equivalence, we are going to check the equivalence of finite state machines by using comparison table. So this is the answer for this question where both the finite state machines are equivalent. Thank you for watching the video.